In the previous build, I ended up using a micro speaker in the front and the original speaker in the rear. This time, I want to do 2 rear firing speakers. And the guys at Freeplay Tech hooked this board up to actually provide the second channel. So I'm going to end up wiring this something like this. We'll have 2 grills. And of course this case is just for testing. It's kind of transparent so I can see through what's going on. First thing I'm going to do is just wire this up. I think I'm going to stick this one in place permanently, kind of at an angle to the left here. But this one, there's a screw that goes underneath here. So what I'm thinking of doing is putting a little extra padding behind here. That combined with the padding that's on top will kind of sandwich it in place and hold it in place. And I can tack this here, so whenever, if I'm going to take this apart and I need to get to that screw, I can just kind of lift it up, get to the screw, put it back down, and it'll kind of be loose until the case sandwiches it together into that padding, and you won't be able to tell. To fit one speaker, we're going to have to get rid of this bit here. Now we need to make a design for the grill, or a pattern, kind of like this, nice and simple. So I'm going to try to do that again. So now, when I mark these, I'm just going to use a tack. I can't believe I grabbed the wrong drill bit. I could edit that out though and pretend like I did it on purpose. Say something like, the speakers are angled out this way, so we're gonna have a much better sound, blah blah blah. But I'm not gonna do that. I messed up. It's not too bad though. I mean, it actually doesn't look too bad. I don't hate it. We still have some symmetry and it does kind of make sense. Larger holes do make sense. So we'll see how that goes. I don't want to see through them, is my thing. I think it's going to be too dark in there anyway. So I don't think it's going to be a problem. Lucky I only got the outside here, so it didn't make some sort of bad pattern or go too far with it. So I got some padding or some foam from a microphone that I had taken apart a while ago for a different project. Alright, I think it's pretty much alright for now. Something I might do is these little posts here are just to kind of keep pressure on the board on the inside. I might shave those down on the side that's closest to the speaker to help get around here, because as I put it on, I have to put it on sort of a bit carefully, like I'll start from the top and then work it down that way to avoid putting those posts onto the speakers. Not a big deal, but I might do that a little bit later to make it easier. I still have that problem where there's a little bit of pressure. It's not much. Actually, it's not much at all. It's a bit annoying that I can't find it, or I haven't found it yet. And it's, you know, once I put the screw in there, it'll be just fine. No one will ever know. But I'm still going to try to find that if I can. On to the next step.